Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a card for a school birthday. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You'll need some vibrant paper, a good pair of scissors, and a reliable glue stick. Don't forget your favorite markers or colored pencils for drawing. A sturdy piece of cardstock, about 8.5 by 11 inches, will be perfect for the base. Having everything ready makes the creative process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's get creative with the design and message. Start by folding your chosen cardstock perfectly in half to form the card's base. On the front, you can draw something festive, like a stack of presents or a cheerful birthday cake. Inside, write a warm and sincere message. Keep it positive and encouraging, perhaps mentioning a favorite memory. A personal touch, like a small drawing or a special quote, makes it truly unique. Time to add some flair with decorations and embellishments. This is where your card truly comes to life. You can use glitter to add sparkle, or stick on some fun stickers like stars or confetti. Small cutouts of shapes or letters also work wonderfully. Consider adding a colorful ribbon tied into a neat bow for an extra special touch. Remember to use a strong adhesive to ensure all your beautiful additions stay firmly in place, making your card durable. For our final slide, let's focus on the finishing touches and delivery. Take a moment to review your card for any smudges or areas that might need a little extra attention. Clearly write the birthday person's name on the front or inside. Once it's perfect, carefully place your beautiful handmade card into an envelope to keep it safe. Finally, deliver your thoughtful creation with a genuine smile and your best birthday wishes. They will surely appreciate your effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.